That's my purse! I don't know you!
What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Man, it kind of feels really good to say that right now, guys, because I was worried there for a minute that I might not be able to, especially after 7 years of being on YouTube and everything else. This is like the one video among many that you really don't want to ever have to make. And unfortunately, I'm making it today, but it's one of those videos that you need to make if it ever happens, because it could help somebody else. And, you know, I'm all about helping other people. That's what my whole channel's centered around, doing these spray outs and everything else. So, story time today, guys, a little bit, and I'm going to share my experience being hacked with you, and kind of tell you where I'm at with the channel, so that you guys will know moving forward. And of course, if you guys have channels of your own, you'll know what to look for if anything weird ever happens, or if you just have any other accounts and you start having a similar situation happen. But anyways, okay, where do I start? Monday, I was sitting here on this computer behind me, and I was uploading the spray out for you guys, you know, like I usually do. And I got an email for a collaboration with DJI. DJI, they do like the wireless mics, the cameras, and stuff like that. You know, they're a very popular company. And, you know, it's not out of the realm of possibilities for a company like that to reach out to me and want to collab in some way, shape, or form. And that's what I thought was happening. They sent me an email, which is typical of most of the emails I get. Hey, we're so-and-so from so-and-so. You know, do you want to collaborate? We could send you this item out and yada, yada, yada. Let's discuss in details if you have a fee or blah, blah, blah. So, you know, I responded back. I said, yeah, sure, you know. Yeah, let's do it. Let's collaborate. You know, I'd love to try out one of your cameras or something like that. So they sent me another email, and it was just a page. It looked like completely legit, from like a page from their website, where it, you know, had pictures of all their items and just, you know, just typical website, you know, stuff. And they just said, you know, download the contract agreement and we'll move forward. And that's, you know, a lot of times some companies want to do contracts with you. Some trust you right off the bat. Some forward you to other websites. So I've had so many different things since I started doing collaborations. So this was not outside of the realm of anything normal. So basically I clicked download the contract. It downloaded a file, and it was unfortunately an executable file. So the minute I tried to open it, my Chrome browser went down. And I'm like, this is weird. So I opened my Chrome browser, and, you know, everything, I refreshed everything. It started downloading my video again. I didn't think much of it. I clicked it a second time. You know, I was like, maybe it was just a fluke. Sometimes stuff like that happens. My Chrome browser went down again. So at this point, I'm really just going, wow. Yeah, something's not quite right here. Something's not jiving. So I don't know why. I just tried to open my YouTube stuff up, and I was having issues with it, and it was doing some funky things. I started getting notifications on my phone as if some of my videos had just been uploaded for the very first time. I'm like, huh? So I clicked on my Google account, and well, let me tell you this. I have multiple emails. The WHITLEYAutoWorks@gmail email that I put online for most of you guys is the one I want everybody to send stuff to if you ever want to work with the channel or whatever else. But the email account that my YouTube is tied to is a different account, but they're all somewhat connected. So, you know, that email was sent through a different account than the one that my YouTube is on. But when they went in through my Whitley Auto Works email to my Google account that's tied to my YouTube. And instantly what they did was, the first thing was they changed my passwords. They changed my two-step verification, the authentications, to where if you ever get locked out of your account, you can get back in. They changed all that, and they changed all the other stuff that, you know, basically allows you to recover your account if it's ever stolen. They got by my pass key, everything. And then, next thing I know, they're going live on my YouTube with some XRP crap. And basically, from what I've been able to determine, and it said Brad Garlinghouse up there, which, if y'all don't know, I think he's like the owner of XRP or has something big time to do with that. You can Google it for yourself if you want to. And that was what the scam said on Reddit. Basically, what they do is they fish for YouTubers' accounts that have a sizable following, and then they get your account, and then they change the whole account over to some crypto stuff and start scamming people until YouTube eventually locks them out. And that's what happened to me. Fortunately, with me, Josh from Midnight Auto, it was kind of a dual thing at the same time. As soon as I saw this, obviously I was in shock. My wife jumped on and contacted YouTube. Josh from Midnight Auto jumped on his channel and started, reporting my page as spam, which got it taken down. It come back up a second time. He spammed it again, and it got it completely removed. So my account was completely removed. It was as if I didn't ever exist on YouTube, which was very, very weird for me. Of course, then the fight began to get my account back, which was, man, YouTube, I love you guys. Google, I love you guys, but y'all support is hot garbage. You got the help center, but it's never really much help. I have gotten the run around messaging back and forth with you guys, but honestly, in the grand scheme of things, I've heard of people never getting their channels back. And, obviously from Monday to Wednesday, I did recover my Google, and Wednesday night, my YouTube come back up. Luckily, because of Josh helping and because of my wife helping and just the quick catching everything in general, they didn't have enough time to change but so much on my account. They did, of course, put up a Ripple thing video on my page for a while and run live until they were eventually shut down. And when I finally was able to get my Google account recovered through YouTube, I noticed they had changed my account to a brand account, which, if you guys don't know what that is, I'm sure you probably don't. You can create a brand account once you have a YouTube account with, a sizable following, and that allows you to add multiple people to manage the account. So what they did is kind of like a backdoor into the account for other people. Obviously I'm a primary owner of the account with the AutoWorks, Jonathan Whitley, and that can't be changed, but people can go in if there's a brand account and add themselves. And that's what they did. I had two separate people add themselves as owners of my account. So the minute I got it back, I had to go in and take them off as owners in the brand account, so I had an entirely new account within my account that I had to figure things out on. So yeah, it was a big mess, but with the Reddit article, the way they explained it, if you don't do that, they can go back in and practically do the same thing again. So if you ever get hacked in this way and you start seeing Brad Garlinghouse on your stuff, definitely, they probably created a brand account. Go into that brand account once you get your stuff back, after changing all your other passwords and everything else to something new, your different verifications, and delete them as owners on the account so they can't backdoor back into your account and steal everything again. So, man, this has been an absolute process. The other problem with it right now, like I said, I've gotten everything back, but YouTube has still yet to return my creator music copyright stuff. So majority of my videos since I've been monetized, because I've been using creator music, which is, I think, another function that you get access to once you get monetized, all of my videos are demonetized right now. So obviously I appreciate you guys for watching regardless, but that does hurt when YouTube becomes your primary source of income. And yeah, hopefully they'll get that straight. I have been emailing them and bugging them like crazy, you will not believe, to try and get this stuff squared away and get back up and going so I can upload more content for you guys, because my worry moving forward is I can't use the music, and the more videos I start uploading spray out after spray out again, then it's going to confuse them when they go back in and see some videos that way. And so it's a process, guys. So I just want to say, first of all, thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for bearing with me and not just mass unfollowing, because this is very hard for anybody that has a YouTube and is trying to make a living out of it, and that's exactly why they hack you. They want to get a hold to your subscriber base and subscriber count, and basically they fish for other companies posing as you, so it kind of ruins your reputation. And as we all know, we live in this digital age with social media, to where your reputation has pretty much become everything for being able to get bigger and move forward, be successful. And yeah, so that's kind of where I'm at with story time today, guys. Be aware, like I said, if you have a channel of your own and something like this happens, that way you'll kind of know what to look out for, and instantly report it to YouTube. They'll link you to a form that you can fill out and put all your channel information on it. And it's just going to be hard because, like I said, you'll be locked out of your Google and everything else. So you'll have to use a different email, and then they'll ask for like channel links and stuff like that to verify it's you. And it's going to be a process, but don't give up hope. You can get it back. Like I said, I was able to get it back in a few days. Luckily, because, I had some great friends, a loving, wonderful wife that helped me out. And yeah, even though I was sitting there in shock, like, what the heck, it is, I've been doing this for a good while. I'm pretty knowledgeable and savvy with computer stuff. But it was one of those days where I was dawdling. I was just kind of lounging. I was uploading a video for you guys. I was doing a review for a Vivor on a power washer. You'll see that video soon, hopefully. And yeah, I was just, I just saw it and I was excited. And, it's one of those things. I'm human, and, even when you know better, sometimes you do it, you take a chance. And, I got messed up because of it, but it's a lesson learned for me, and hopefully a lesson learned ahead of time for anybody else out there watching this video, so that you guys don't get taken advantage of too. But one way you can support me and help me right now, guys, even though my videos are demonetized, is to like this video, leave me a comment. What's the time that you guys had a problem where something was stolen from you? Did you get it back? Was it something significant? I mean, if you have any kind of story or whatever, I'd love to hear it, or if your channel's been hacked and you had the same exact thing happen, let me know with that. And yeah, just leave me a comment, drop me a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell notification. It helps me out tremendously, guys, so that we can get Whitley Auto Works back up and going strong, and continue to grow the channel so I can bring you guys awesome content. And yeah, just continue to have fun, guys. And that's what this channel is all about. No ego, no, crazy mess with it. Just showing you guys cool tricks and having fun together, and building a community. And so that's where I'm at today, guys. Like I said, I wish I had more for you. I really hope to be able to get into uploading videos again soon, because this has just been absolutely tragic. But hey, it happens to the best of us, and it is what it is, and we're going to continue to move forward. I have recovered my Google account. I've recovered my YouTube, and yeah, so it's all there. We caught it soon enough to where they didn't change, but so much. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching today. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.